eating all this chicken wings. Dude, shut up.
I'm gonna move to play some Guitar Hero, you.
Why the hell not? Why the not? Why? It's my favorite game.
Ever!
Alright, hurry up, turn it on.
Alright, I'm turning it on!
Shut up. It's
So difficult, dude.
Oh,
What?
what's that?
What the? What the hell? Dude! Your 360 just crapped the bed! Uh-oh. Dude.
What the hell?
Oh my... Has this ever happened to you? If this has happened to you, you know the despair you feel. You've called Microsoft, they've sent you a box, but you don't want to send your 360 in just yet. So, there is hope for you.
The Ring of Death.
The towel trick. Ah! Towel trick is very simple. Remove your hard drive and the game from the tray. We are going to heat up your 360. Take a towel.
Is that the one you jacked off on?
Shut up.
Unplug the cords.
No, you don't unplug the cord.
Yeah, you do.
Trick.
Oh,
It
not the
doesn't
power
work, you
one.
douchebag.
My bad.
You don't unplug the AV
Just
either.
ignore me.
Leave
I'm the
AV
retard in the
in
background.
there. Smother with towel.
Oh, I got
To get maximum towelage. Repeat process.
See, it's just the 360 is wrapped in the towel. Make sure the back is wrapped really tight so the heat can't escape and it goes back into the 360's core. Therefore, it heats up and the wires extend, and it will work.
You're going to want to keep that in there for about 20 minutes. Time for time.
Just pretend you're baking a nice sweet cake of Xbox 360.
Here we go.
Now for the unwrapping. Your 360 may have shut off.
Cross your fingers, people.
It'll overheat and shut off. Sometimes you'll still get the red eye. Sometimes it'll be shut off. You now just want to leave it. Cool that baby down. Alright folks, we've taken all the blankets off. We've let it cool down.
And now
We put in our hard drive.
now's the time when you cross your fingers and pray that you can get another few hours out of your
that's
Xbox.
Now this might work for about 2 hours or so. I've heard it fixed forever.
Just,
See
if
if
you
this
really
works,
want
though.
to play it, then don't shut off your 360. It's worth it to keep it on. You know, get the heat out of it. You know, heat up your room, because I'm sure your parents, like, you know. Oh my god.
Another 360 saved.
And this isn't the first. I did this with mine. Experimental.
Another
possibilities.
360 saved.
Trust me, it
with
will
the
not
towel
damage
trick.
your 360 anymore. It does not void the warranty. Do it. It works. Goodbye.